The Living Architecture Systems Group is constantly seeking to evolve living architecture through the use of interactive exhibits and installations. The Cicada is an electroacoustic actuator that was created in partnership with LASG to be incorporated into future installations. It makes use of actuator and sensor arrays to create patterns of actuation in response to stimulus. The Cicada's goal is to mimic the unique buzz of its namesake, so that multiple devices installed throughout a sculpture would create a responsive soundscape, reminiscent of a summer's night. The Cicada drives an acrylic rib through the states of a bistable position at various frequencies to produce sounds from slow rumbles to high-pitched wheedles. The acrylic rib is actuated through the bistable positions with a yoke and wheel mechanism that moves the acrylic with a stiff wire. There are two modes of operation, alternated by a jumper on the PCB, the first of which is pass-through mode. Pass-through mode reads in a PWM signal and writes it directly to the motor and yoke mechanism. The speed can be modulated thusly by any connected control system. The second mode of operation is feedback control. Feedback mode reads in a PWM signal as a reference, and uses that value in a PI controller to match the ambient volume to that of the reference. It will make enough noise to raise the ambient volume to that of the reference, and when the reading from the actuator's microphone meet or exceed that reference, it will produce less noise. Here's a simulation of multiple cicadas working in parallel. They produce a unique soundscape that can give rise to multiple emergent behaviors. With these two modes of operation, the cicadas can be arrayed to produce a diversity of behaviors. They are intended for use in sonically engaging sculptures, produced by the Living Architecture Systems Group.